Welcome to Star Chat, the cosmic journey that brings us closer to the wonders of the universe and our place within it. As we embark on this new episode, I invite you to join me in exploring the vast expanse of space and time, where human ingenuity meets the infinite possibilities of the cosmos. Today, we find ourselves at the threshold of a new era in space exploration, as NASA prepares for its first crewed moon mission in 50 years. The Artemis II mission, slated for launch as early as February 6, marks a significant step towards re-establishing a human presence on the lunar surface, with the ultimate goal of sending astronauts to Mars. Imagine, if you will, a spacecraft traversing the 239,000 miles between Earth and the Moon, carrying a crew of brave individuals who will test the limits of human endurance and technological prowess. The Orion spacecraft, powered by the Space Launch System rocket, will embark on a 10-day journey, traveling over 4,000 miles to the far side of the Moon, a feat that will push the boundaries of space travel and scientific discovery. As we reflect on this monumental achievement, we are reminded of the power of human curiosity and the importance of exploring the unknown. The Artemis II mission is not just a testament to American ingenuity, but also a symbol of global cooperation, as nations and private enterprises come together to advance our understanding of the universe. In this new space race, we see a mix of national pride and international collaboration, with China's National Space Administration, India's Space Research Organization, and private sector efforts like Elon Musk's SpaceX, all vying to push the frontiers of space exploration. The question is, what will be the implications of these endeavors for humanity's future in space? As we ponder this question, let us not forget our responsibility to care for the planet that gives us life. The pursuit of space exploration must be balanced with our duty to protect Earth and its resources, ensuring that our quest for knowledge and discovery does not come at the expense of our home planet. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. I'm your host, Carl. As we continue to explore the wonders of our universe, we find ourselves fascinated by the mysteries that lie within our own solar system. Today, we're going to talk about a remarkable discovery that's shedding new light on the composition and behavior of asteroids. Imagine an object in space spinning so rapidly that it completes one rotation every 1.88 minutes. This is the case with 2025 MN45. A newly discovered asteroid that's leaving scientists amazed. But what makes this asteroid so unique? To answer that question, let's dive into the world of asteroid research and explore the latest findings from the Vera C. Rubin Observatory. The Rubin Observatory, equipped with the world's largest digital camera, has been making waves in the astronomical community with its groundbreaking discoveries. Recently, during a commissioning phase, the observatory tested its equipment and yielded a treasure trove of solar system objects, including 1,900 asteroids discovered in just 10 hours of observation. Among these discoveries are 19 fast-spinning asteroids, with 2025 MN45 being the largest and most rapidly rotating one. But what's surprising is that this asteroid doesn't fit the typical profile of a rubble pile asteroid, which is made up of many small pieces of rock and debris held together by gravity. Instead, scientists believe that 2025 MN45 has a cohesive strength similar to that of solid rock. This discovery raises interesting questions about the formation and evolution of asteroids in our solar system. As we continue to explore and study these objects, we may uncover new insights into the history of our cosmic neighborhood. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory's decade-long legacy survey of space and time is expected to reveal many more secrets about fast-spinning asteroids, and we can't wait to see what other surprises the universe has in store for us. Welcome back to Star Chat, dear listeners. As we gaze out into the vast expanse of space, it's exciting to think about the innovative companies that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Today, we're going to talk about some of the smartest space stocks you can invest in with a mere $2,000 in capital. Imagine being able to launch small satellites into orbit with ease, or enabling cell phones to communicate from anywhere in the world without specialized software or hardware. These are just a few examples of what companies like Rocket Lab and AST SpaceMobile are working on. Rocket Lab, in particular, has established itself as the second most used space launch company in the United States, with its Electron rocket having launched an impressive 81 times. But it's not just about launching satellites. It's also about creating a thriving space systems business. Rocket Lab is doing just that, designing and manufacturing spacecraft components that support customers' missions. And with a backlog of over $1 billion, including $586 million from space systems, the company's future looks bright. Another player in the space industry is AST SpaceMobile, which has secured major deals with telecom companies like AT&T and Verizon Communications to provide broadband coverage for customers. The company aims to have 45 to 60 Bluebird satellites in orbit by the end of 2026, with a long-term vision of achieving global connectivity with 90 satellites. And then there's Lockheed Martin, one of the world's largest aerospace and defense companies, which has a growing space business that may be underappreciated. The company designs and manufactures military and civil satellites, deep space exploration systems, missile warning platforms, and space-based sensors. With steady recurring revenue from government contracts, Lockheed Martin is a solid choice for investors seeking exposure to the growing space economy with lower volatility. As we look up at the stars, it's clear that the space industry is on the cusp of a revolution. With companies like Rocket Lab, AST SpaceMobile, and Lockheed Martin leading the charge, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're an investor or just someone who's passionate about space exploration, there's never been a more exciting time to be a part of this journey. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.